In this video, we'll compare Salesforce CRM and Pipedrive to help you decide which platform is the better choice for your business in 2026. Let's start with ease of use. Pipedrive is designed with simplicity in mind, making it easy for sales teams to manage deals and pipelines. Salesforce has a steeper learning curve, but it offers far more advanced features and customization. When it comes to features, Pipedrive focuses on sales pipeline management, contact management, and deal tracking. Salesforce includes these features as well, along with advanced automation, AI-powered insights, detailed reporting, and powerful workflow customization. For pricing, Pipedrive is generally more affordable and is a great option for small businesses. Salesforce is more expensive but is built to support growing businesses and large enterprises with complex sales processes. If you're looking for a simple CRM that's quick to set up and easy to use, Pipedrive is an excellent choice. However, if you need advanced automation, deeper customization, and a CRM that can scale with your business, Salesforce is the better long-term option. Ultimately, the right CRM depends on your business size, budget, and feature requirements. And that's our comparison of Salesforce CRM versus Pipedrive in 2026.